Dear students, today let us learn about photochemistry, what is photochemistry and laws of photochemistry. So what is photochemistry? It is the study of process involving absorption and emission of radiation. In photochemistry, we will be studying about photophysical process and photochemical reactions. In photophysical process, only absorption and emission of radiation will be taking place. No chemical reaction will be taking place on absorbing light. Example, fluorescence, phosphorescence and photoelectric effect. All these things comes under photophysical process where no chemical reactions taking place. In the case of photochemical reactions, on, on absorption of light radiation, chemical reactions will be taking place. Example, reaction between chlorine and hydrogen, photosynthesis and formation of vitamin D. Laws of photochemistry. Lambert's law. According to this law, decrease in the intensity of monochromatic light with the thickness of the absorbing medium is proportional to the intensity of incident light, which is mathematically given as minus di by dx is directly proportional to I, which is equal to k into I. On integrating this equation between the limits I and I0, we would be getting this equation I equal to I0 e power minus k into x, where I0 is the intensity of incident radiation, I is the intensity of transmitted radiation, k would be the absorption coefficient, x is the thickness of the absorbing medium. Beer's law. This law states that decrease in the intensity of monochromatic light with the thickness of the solution is not only proportional to the intensity of incident light but also to the concentration of the solution. So decrease in intensity is not only dependent on intensity of the incident light but also on the concentration of the solution. So the Beer's law is mathematically given as minus di by dx is directly proportional to intensity of the incident radiation I and concentration of the solution C, which is equals to epsilon into I into C, where epsilon is the constant known as molar absorptivity. So on integrating this equation, we will be getting I equal to I0 e power minus epsilon Cx. Next law is Grothus-Draper's law. According to this law, when light falls on body, a part of it is reflected, a part of it is transmitted, and the rest is absorbed. Only the light which is absorbed would bring a chemical reaction. Only the absorbed light can bring a photochemical change. Stark-Einstein's law of photochemical equivalence. According to this law, every atom or molecule that takes part in a photochemical reactions absorbs one quantum of radiation to which the substance is exposed. That is, one molecule would be absorbing one quantum of radiation to bring about a chemical reaction. That is Stark-Einstein's law of photochemical equivalence. So energy absorbed per molecule would be given by E equal to h nu for one molecule. For 1 mole, E should be E would be equal to N into h nu. That is, it should be h nu should be multiplied by Avogadro number to obtain energy absorbed per mole. Okay, so energy absorbed per mole is known as 1 Einstein. That's all about photochemical laws. Thank you.